Lights out, here we go.
That car looking brilliant.
Everyone really excited about the new body kit. Really good reaction to that.
We are secretly just about to sneak the new car into our Oulton for the reveal. How exciting. Drum roll, please.
It's a surprise. I really like it. Brings the championship up to date as well.
People I spoke to have really liked it. Quite a shock because it's a lot more futuristic than the other car.
Everyone's really positive about it. Yeah, I think it's a really good move forward.
Next step, the track.
Lights out, here we go.
Being out on circuit here at Silverstone, it's a great experience.
Seeing it on circuit really brings it to life.
It's really nice to see this new generation of car coming out and being alive on track as a race car.
There's been a lot of late nights, late evenings in the workshop. We have our normal jobs and all of the race team work is done outside of that.
I'm really proud of the team. They've done a fantastic job to get the car ready.
If I could describe the F66 in one word, it would be futuristic.
Cool. Refreshing.
Fast.